out of more than 7 billion people right now living on this earth, only less than 3,000 people are billionaires. That is, the net worth is above $1 billion or more. And what makes these people billionaire? I have found out the secret sauce that makes a person a billionaire. If you want to be a self-made billionaire entrepreneur, let's dive deep in. Hey everyone, my name is Amit Kumar Uparelia. I am the founder of Billionaire Wealth Club, and I am on a mission to create a million unicorns in the span of next 30 years, so that the world's economy gets to a new heights. And while going through, people who are most successful people on this earth, who are billionaires on this earth, what I've seen is they all are entrepreneurs. None of the employee has ever made it to $1 billion club. So if you are an entrepreneur, this journey is for you. Let's dive deep in. Let me show you my mind map. In this video, we are going to see the 16 habits that makes a person self-made billionaire. We will be talking about those habits. I'll be telling you about those habits. And if you stay till the end, I am going to give you a gift for staying till the end. And I'm also going to show you what is the journey ahead from being a mediocre entrepreneur to a billion-dollar enterprise. Let's dive deep in to first habits. There are 16 habits that I have identified, and the first habit of the self-made billionaires is curiosity. They're curious about everything. Whatever they see new, they want to know about it. Whenever they meet new people, they want to know about them. And they are not afraid of asking questions about the things that they do not know. They are not afraid about asking people for the explanations. They are not afraid of asking people to help them understand the things. What I've observed in my life is only the poor people have a burning ego and the I know it all kind of attitude. So billionaires have always a raving curiosity. Number two is they take full responsibility. They take full responsibility for everything, whatever is happening to them. They understand that they only are the responsible for whatever is happening in their lives. Number three is they're early adapters. As they they are full of curiosity. They adapt to the things early. They get into the things early enough to make better profits. They make more profits than others from everything because they get into the things early enough to get the full profits. Number four is energy. They understand that their energy is everything. So they keep their energies high for a prolonged period of time. They are able to keep their energies high for a prolonged period of time. Next up is continuous improvement. They are always on the journey of continuous improvement because they understand that learning is the only way wherein they will be able to generate more wealth. So they are continuously improving their systems, their resources, their marketing strategies. They are always on an improvement spree. Number six is consistency and persistence. They are consistent in whatever they are doing. They are consistent with their message. They are consistent with their ideology. They are consistent with their cultural building, and they are persistent. See, consistency is a different thing, and persistence is a different thing. Till the time they achieve anything, they are persistent. They will get behind everything till the time they achieve it. Number seven is continuous quest. They are on a continuous quest of improvement because they understand that there is no golden key. There is no golden key for success and for continuous and persistent success. So they are on a continuous quest for improvements. They are on a continuous quest for being better. Number eight is they understand goals and struggles. They set their goals, they struggle, they work hard, and they strive to achieve the goal because they accept the reality. They accept the reality that just setting the goals is not going to help them in their lives. So they set goals, they work hard, they accept the realities of the world, and they succeed. Whereas the poor people, what they do is they set their goals, and they just want success because they have set the goals. Even they are working hard. If nothing works on, they blame others. Whereas the successful people, the billionaires, they understand, they accept the reality, whatever the feedback they are getting from the market, and they work upon it. Number 9 is helping others. Successful billionaires always help others. These people, this is a wonderful trait that I have seen. They help others earn money. They help others earn money, and in this process, they surpass all others. So this is a very beautiful thing, because while a poor person, a middle class person, or an average entrepreneur, when they think about being rich, what they think is they just want to hoard money. They are hoarding money. These people are not hoarders. They are first helping others to earn money, and in this process, they surpass everybody else whom they are meeting. 10th trait is collaborations. They are always on for JVs. They are always on for partnerships. They are always looking for strategic partnerships. Number 11 is they are focused on marketing, because they understand that if your business is the car, sales is the engine. And if sales is the engine, your marketing is the fuel. It doesn't help you to have a nice car with a nice engine if you do not have the fuel, because marketing gives you leads, whereas the sales gives you cash. So it is always better to have to focus on the marketing. See, if you are not spending on your marketing, then everything is useless, because it is your marketing, it is your sales that pays you cash. You can have a world-class product, you can spend millions on research, but if you are not selling a single piece of that product, all those millions are useless. So these people understand that marketing is something that gives them the returns. Number 12 is turnover versus profits. See, turnover is a vanity. Turnover is something, you show people, I've done turnover of 100 crores, 200 crores, 500 crores, 30 crores, 20 crores, whatever your turnover might be. But in ultimately, on the ground, it is the profit that matters. These people do not get impressed by the turnover figures. They always look into profits, and they always are on a quest to improve their profits. See, it is your margins that pay you cash, not the turnover figure. If you are, doing turnover of say thousands of crores and you are in loss, you are in cash loss, then it is a loss to your business. The turnover doesn't help. So turnover is always a vanity, whereas the profits are the sanity in the business. Number 13 is handling pressure. These people are very good at handling pressure. You whenever you see them, they are very calm, composed, cool under the pressure. They might be pedaling hard inside, but they are always calm and cool outside. Number 14 is they accept criticism. The self-made billionaires, they understand that you cannot keep everybody happy for eternity, for lifetime. No, not everyone will resonate with your message, resonate with your values, resonate with your product. So they understand that criticism is part of their work. They accept the criticism. Wherever the criticism helps them, they use it. Wherever the criticism doesn't help them, they put it aside and they move ahead, instead of hovering over that criticism and fighting out with that criticism. Number 15 is one of the most important things, is that they have multiple income streams. They are never dependent on one stream of income, because being dependent on one income stream is very, very dangerous. If you are having any situations like this pandemic which we are going through, imagine what will happen to you, because this pandemic situation, this kind of situations will kill your business. So if you are dependent on only one stream of income, you cannot ever become rich. And I have seen this with the people, I have seen this with the entrepreneurs. They are in one business and they are continuously investing in that business, and they are not building their wealth. Excuse me. They are not building their wealth, they are not creating multiple sources of income. And while we talk about creating multiple sources of income, People generally what they do is they go to some investment consultants, they invest in some stocks, some FDs, some mutual funds, and they think they are generating wealth. Actually, business is something that generates you wealth, and from business only you will be having multiple streams of income. Number 16 is time management. The people who all become billionaire, they are good at managing time. And what do I mean by managing time is this: they are good at prioritizing the things. They know their priorities and they work only on their priorities. So these are the 16 habits that makes a person billionaire. I hope you have been taking notes and you will be applying these things. Just like this video and comment below how useful this all habits will be to you if you apply them. And as I had promised, I'm going to give you a gift, and that gift is, you know, I am going to give you the PDF of this mind map so that you can have this PDF. You can take print out, you can save it in your phone, and you can go through this mind map, and you can implement these things so that you do not forget this. So in the description, I'll be putting out the link to download this PDF. And let us talk about the journey ahead. And this applies to people who are only entrepreneurs. We are going to launch a platform. We are going to launch a community wherein we will be helping entrepreneurs build their unicorn businesses. See, it doesn't matter at what stage you are. You might be a startup. We have got we have got things for you. You might be say an family business. You might be a partnership. You might be a private limited company. You might be a public limited company. Whatever stage you might be, we have something planned for everybody. We are building a community of entrepreneurs who want to be unicorns, who want to generate wealth, who want to be rich. And if you are rich and you are not having wealth, how you can build wealth? If you are having wealth, how you can multiply your wealth? All these things are going to happen for the people who are early adopters. See, if you are adopting early, it is going to helpful. It is going to be helpful to you. So I'll be putting out the link to join our Telegram channel, wherein we'll be putting out the updates from the date of posting of this. Within 15-20 days, we are going to launch this initiative. So join the Telegram channel. If you are watching it afterwards, then also join the Telegram channel. We are going to keep uh, posting all the updates over there so that you do not miss anything. And I'll be putting out the link for the same also in the description. So friends, this was Amit Kumar Ruparelia, and I hope this video was useful to you. And if this video was useful to you, like this video, click on subscribe, click on bell icon so that you do not miss any of such opportunities. And we'll meet again.